Hi guys, I am reading Greg's Microscope. So it says here, the next day was a holiday. Greg's friend Billy came to the door. Come and see my new microscope, said Greg. This is a good one, Billy said. Let me see some slides. I made my own, said Greg. And he showed Billy the salt and sugar slides. Billy looked. Those crystals, said Greg. Every little crystal of sugar and salt has sharp corners, like diamonds. Is everything made out of crystals? Asked Billy. No, said Greg. Look at Pepper. Billy looked at Pepper. Let's look at more things, he said. How about flour? Did you look at flour? How about butter and milk? One thing at a time, said Greg. He got a little flour and put it on a slide. Add a drop of water, said Billy. Will the flour go into the water? Asked Greg. I don't know, said Billy. Greg put water on the flour. You looked at the microscope? You looked at the microscope. No, he said. The flour stays here. Stays there. Don't you have a cover glass? Asked Billy. Put a cover glass on it. Why? Said Greg. You will see better, said Billy. Greg started to put the cover glass on it. On. Billy watched. Don't plop it on, he said. Why not? Asked Greg. You will get too many air bubbles, said Billy. Good, I want to see what they look like, said Greg. Oh, you will see, said Billy. Just plop the cover on glass on it. Greg did just that. Then he looked at the slide. What are those big black circles? Asked Greg. Air bubbles, said Billy. I like them, said Greg. Where is the flour? Let me see, said Billy. Those little clear things must be flour. Oh, this is the next page. Just then, Greg's mother came in. Flour, she said. Let me see what it looks like. I see black rings. Are those air bubbles? Said Greg. Those are air bubbles, said Greg. Look between them. You will see little clear things. That is the flour. Greg, said his mother, you know so much. Oh, not so much, said Greg. And he looked at Billy. Billy, Greg's mother sat down to sew. Greg and Billy kept looking at different things. They looked at butter. They looked at milk. They looked at dust. Every minute, Greg's mother heard the boys say, "Oh, look at this! Wow, see this!" Then they were standing near her. "Maybe look at your thread?" They asked. "Oh my gosh, how can you do that? That's so small." He made a slide and looked at it. "This is the best yet," he said. "Look at this, Billy." "Look, Mother." Greg's mother looked. Billy looked. The cotton thread was really many threads twisted together. "This is wonderful," said Greg's mother. "Try some on my wool." Greg put a piece of wool. Oh, I think I passed it. Oopsies. The end.